Hello, you're on the Food Additives channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most underrated amino acids. Citrulline is an amino acid that is not part of building proteins, but it has a large number of physiological effects. Citrulline is involved in urea metabolism. It is an intermediate metabolite in the utilization of the toxic substance ammonia. Citrulline is widely used in sports, including bodybuilding, as a supplement to increase performance, speed recovery, and improve blood supply to muscles. Because citrulline is involved in the utilization of urea, it helps to eliminate toxins such as urea and lactic acid more quickly. Citrulline has very positive effects, namely, citrulline can form arginine, which improves blood flow in the muscles. Provides pumping. Increases endurance and reduces fatigue after a grueling workout. Accelerates the elimination of lactate. Improves muscle nutrition. Citrulline strengthens immune function and increases the body's energy potential. Citrulline is found in specialized enzymes and is part of the skin, hair, and nerve sheath. Citrulline is essential for maintaining a positive nitrogen balance in the body. It improves erectile function. Thus, citrulline can make exercise more intense, as well as reduce recovery time. Citrulline can also be successfully used in aerobic sports such as running, cycling, swimming, etc. for fast recovery and prevention of overtraining.